How to fix Messenger notes not showing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to clear the app cache and data. To do so, long press on Messenger and tap I button to access your app info. Select storage users and tap clear cache. Tap clear data and make sure if you remember your credentials, then you can tap on delete button and log in back to your messenger. But if not, you can tap cancel as well. With this, you need to simply long press on messenger again and access your app setting where you need to tap on permissions. Make sure that you have allowed all the app permissions. If not yet, you can easily choose for the particular permission and then tap on the allow notifications or choose allow button. To make these changes applied, long press on your power button and then restart or reboot to your device. With this, you need to open Play Store and check for the update of Messenger. If there is update button, tap update and update it to the latest version. Now by following all this step, your messenger notes should start working again. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.